But unfortunately, Ronald is not around
To defend himself.
to defend himself. Though he had a comment because he saw the exchange in the Senate. And ang ano ba comment niya, Bok? Sabi niya na he made it a
10,000
joke
tawa.
as always.
10,000 tawa.
He in short, parang I'm flattered that I'm being talked about in the
Yeah.
Senate plenary.
What does 10,000 tawag mean?
Tawa.
Tawa. So,
10,000
lol, lol,
lang.
lol, lol, lol.
Lol.
I,
Lols.
no, but I think it's in... May pahapyaw yun eh. Alam mo si Ronald, kaya mag-isip, may pahapyaw yun eh.
Actually, medyo busy nga siya. Ronald,
yung
sorry.
yung pangako ni Alan Peter na...
10,000 per voter.
Oh, the 10,000 pesos.
I think.
That's it. During the campaign.
Galing nga, na-connect mo yung dots.
Consistent, no? Palaging may laman dun sa statement niya na may patira. Oh, 10,000 pesos.
I guess that's why, ang daming
ayuda.
napoprovoke sa mga statements si Ronald. Sorry,
Yeah.
Ronald, sinong absent siya yung ulam.
The way I describe your book is, I don't know if you'll agree, dilaw na ugaling DDS.
The way you would describe him? Bakit?
It's yellow. I mean, to use a crass language, na ugaling DDS. Yung
Can you make it
marunong
nicer?
magpikon ng pipikon.
I can make it nicer. Magaling sila gumawa ng mga catchphrase. Magaling sila magpa-viral. Diba? Ronald and yung mga DDS. Yun lang, they're on opposite teams. Yun lang yun, I think.
Kung gusto niya, magaling siya mag-troll.
Magaling siya
Magaling siya
I'm trying to
Magaling
be
siya
nice.
mag-troll. That's a better word.
Ayoko
That's a word.
mabasya ko pag tinawag ko si Ronald na troll.
Hindi ko nasabing troll siya eh. Magaling siya
King
mag-troll.
troll. Magaling nga siya mag-troll.
Magaling siya mag-troll.
Meron pa siya book, di ba? Yung post. It's not, well, he didn't mention who. He had a post saying na hindi lahat ng traidor nakabayong. Hindi lahat ng makapili nakabayong.
Nakabayong.
I don't know if you understand the reference because panahon ng hapon
Kapil,
po
Hapon,
eh.
Japanese. World War II.
Kailangan talaga
Nakabayong
hanggang
yung
doon
mga
tayo.
makapili, yung mga traidor nagtutulog.
Oo nga pala yung
We had
pointed
a-
may
hats.
butas
Yung
sa
mga
baba.
kabayo.
Parang a bag over their head.
Panahon nila Dolphy yata yung mga pelikula na yun. Sabi niya, hindi lahat ng makapili nakabayong.
But to
Yung
be
iba,
clear, hindi
yung
niya
iba,
minention si Senator Marcoleta.
wala siyang
Oo,
minimension. Sabi
wala
lang
siyang
niya, yung
minimension.
iba,
Nakabalong.
Nakabarong.
okay. Takot ka matrol.
Galing talaga niya. Galing talaga niya magpa-viral eh. With a hashtag.
He's enjoying.
He evidently is because every time i-message niya ako, it's a link to something na nasa headline siya, pinag-uusapan siya. And medyo marami.
He
So
enjoys it, ah.
he enjoys it.
He enjoys
Pero
it.
nagsimula dun sa
He's a
Chinese
troll.
embassy.
Oo.
Diba?
Na halos maging diplomatic
Diplomatic
issue na between the
Persona
Philippines.
non grata.
Mamuntik na mga persona non grata.